Hi you guys, what's good? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. So in this video today, I have some new products from Modelones. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this new lamp called the SMEOW Lamp. When I first saw this, I was freaking out. Y'all know I'm a cat person. I love cats. I love the little paw prints on the box. It's packaged very nicely. There's not too much unnecessary parts, so it's very environmentally friendly packaging. This is what it looks like. I love the pink details on it. So this is a gooseneck lamp. It's 48 watts, which is very strong for a lamp like this. I feel like 48 watt lamps are like the best. I personally feel that way. This is the user manual. You can pause and read the specifications. There's 33 beads of UV/LED bulbs in here. I found that it cured my hand perfectly fine despite the fact that it didn't have like an enclosed structure. That was one thing I was kind of worried about. This is how you set it up on your desk. So you can arrange it. You can kind of like bring the top down really close to your hand, or you can have it up. I like it because you can use it also for flash curing. You know those flower lamps for your desk when you're kind of like doing a prey or soft gel and you need to like flash cure as you're holding the nail down. That's what this would be good for, and also for the full cure. So you can do the flash cure and the full cure with the same lamp, and it has the cute little paw prints on it. It's so cute. Has a 15-second, 30-second, and 60-second timer. Love that lamp. These are the gels that I got. These are new. These are glitter gels. At first I thought they were cat's eye. They are not cat's eye. They're just very, very dimensional. And I'm going to be using the almond soft gel tips today for my set. I'm really feeling the very simple one color short almond looks that I've been seeing. I know that this is like a classic. It's always been very popular. I love it. I don't know why I'm into this now, this very simple, short look, but I don't know. I have the nails on my hands right now and I just feel very elegant. I feel like they really make my hands look super pretty. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my set once we get through these swatches. I put on my my super enhanced lens so we can look at the glitter really close. This is what the purple shade looks like, and all of the colors in this gel set are very jewel toned, very deep, so I feel like they're all very beautiful for the fall season. So if you wanted some deep jewel toned glitters, these are great. And I'm only showing you guys the swatches with one coat, and then at the end of the swatch I'll show you with two coats. So this is just one layer, so you can accomplish like a jelly glitter look if that's what you're into. And if you also want the opaque full coverage look, you just put on a second coat and it's fully opaque and very beautiful and glittery. I feel like my camera was not able to capture all the dimensions of some of these shades, because when you turn it one way it shows one color, when you turn it another way it shows another color. The shade that I end up doing on myself has like literally so many different colors within it, and we'll get into that later. But this blue is so beautiful. I feel like this is a nice Christmassy type of color. Obviously the green I showed is beautiful for Christmas, like that deep emerald green. And there's a lot of like red rusty tones in here. They even have this kind of like pink duochrome shade. Look at this. Oh my god. There's like little orange fiery elements in here, but it all has like a very deep jewel toned base. It applies like a dream. It self levels. Very easy to work with. This one was very pretty. It's like hot pinkish. And I'm sorry y'all, there's like a little cat hair. But I think I end up getting it out. I don't know. But there was a little cat hair. This is the shade I use on myself. This shade has so many colors in it. Like, oh my gosh. Sometimes it looks chocolate brown. Sometimes it looks rust. Sometimes it looks red. Sometimes it even looks green. It is insane. And yeah, you really just You cannot get the fullness of it. I wish I got shots in the sun, but I had to hurry up and get this video out. But I am so in love with this color. It's so elegant. It's so interesting. You get more than one shade at a time. This is how they look with 2 coats in order as shown. So you guys like these, there will be a link down below. They're also having a promotion going on, so you can use my code to get some money off, and then you can also use the promotion to get additional money off the order. So check that out down below. I'm gonna just start by prepping my nails. I'm gonna be putting these on with nail glue because I need to change my set a little bit, like in like a week or two. So I don't want to use gel to keep these on long term. I'm gonna put them on with nail glue. So the way that I'm gonna prep my nails today, if you guys ever want a set to last like a week and then pop off with ease at the end of the week, this would be a good method for you. So I'm just gonna prep my nails by taking off my cuticle and etching up the surface of my nail. And ooh, my nails really needed this. It was very satisfying. This bit I got from SMEOW, and on a medium speed, I'm just going in and taking off my overgrown cuticle. I'm not doing too much. It's not like a Russian manicure or anything, but this is like the level of, I guess you could say, cuticle removal that I'm comfortable with. So I just did this, cleaned everything up, and then I'm gonna go in with a primer from Jeulia's. And this primer, it's kind of like the same with any other extension method. The primer helps the nails stay on longer, and you can use this with nail glue for the same purpose. It will make your nails stay on longer. So you want to put 1 layer of that and let it get tacky. And this primer has never failed me. I absolutely love this primer. She has this set where it's an acid primer and a non-acid primer. And I use the non-acid. I'm going to use this glue that I got from Walgreens. I think it's like Kiss brand. I don't know, but I love this glue. I'll have the name of it down below. And with my pre-sized almond nails, I'm going to go ahead and just glue these down, trying to avoid any air bubbles or air pockets. And it's that easy. This can get messy. You guys know nail glue can be kind of messy sometimes and kind of like, it's all over my hands. So when that would happen, I would just pull out a nail removal wrap that I got from SMEOW. And for some reason, the nail removal wraps are like super strong. It's not like normal acetone for some reason. It seems like it works faster. So I would just open up one of those wraps and rub the glue off my skin, and it would come off like instantly. So that's kind of how I dealt with the glue when I noticed it was like getting messy or crazy. But yeah, doing it this way is the best. If you're using the same glue as me, because this glue flows, it's very, very, very viscous. So I wouldn't put it inside the nail then put it on, because if every time I tried to do it that way, it would flow everywhere. So putting it on the nail first and then putting the fake nail on top of that is the best way. And this is how the nails look. I love the shape how they are. I'm just gonna buff off the little manufacturing bump at the end, but I'm keeping the shape how it is. And we're just gonna go straight in with this gel polish. And I'm gonna do 2 layers, curing between each layer. So I don't know if I had too much caffeine, but I was getting this gel on my skin at some points. I just wasn't doing the best application, so you're gonna see me cleaning up here and there. But I'm also wiping my fingers off immediately. Wiping my nails off. I'm not touching my skin. I'm using my nail to clean and this little cotton pad to clean. So try not to touch gel products directly, and please get it off of your skin immediately. Don't just let it sit there and don't rub it in. And you see how I just wiped it off with my nail and then cleaned my nail immediately? Please just avoid touching nail product. Alright, so this is how I did my full cure. I brought the top of the lamp down really close and I could feel the heat from the cure, so I knew that it was definitely curing everything. And then just for extra security, I turned my hand around like this and lifted the gooseneck lamp up even more so my hand could fit in this way. I love being able to cure like that. And my thumb got a full cure without having to do anything extra. So the lamp works really well. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. It's like hot chocolate with like magical sparkles, and ooh, it's so cute. What's crazy is you can't see the green shift, but I could see it when I was sitting there in person. I could see the green. It's like this forest green shift in a certain lighting, and like daytime lighting, indoor lighting. It's crazy. So with the second layer, I'm able to get closer to my cuticle. The second layer always looks the best and fixes everything that needs to be fixed. And we're gonna do a top coat with the Model 1's top coat. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. It looks like a normal full set. It doesn't look like I pressed these on with glue. They don't look like soft gel nails. They look like a real gel extension. And they have like the perfect amount of thickness. So 2 coats of color and 1 coat of top coat is perfect for building up your nails' strength and structure. They feel very strong. They've been on for a full 24 hours and no problems. Everything looks great and I'm so happy with them. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a comment, like the video, let me know what you guys think of this set. And I will try to show you guys in different lighting how the nails look. And stay tuned till the end because I'm unboxing some new jewelry from Jeulia that I got. And we have a promo code for you guys there too. So pretty, I cannot. I'm trying to do some fall looks this month. Since last month I did all spooky, I'm gonna do all fall. I know people are getting started with Christmas looks already, but I'm just gonna wait till December 1st because I haven't done any fall looks, so I need to get my fall looks out the way. And this color just screams fall. So stunning. So you can see the green a lot more here, I think. Or the green shift undertone to it. But this is indirect indoor lighting. Okay, so let's get into this Jeulia unboxing. So this is how the package looks when you order from Jeulia Jewelry. Everything comes packaged, and they send everything in a way where if you want to present it as a gift, you can do that. They give you a gift bag. They give you a little note card where you can write a note. And then they also give you a silver polishing cloth in this container, but I already took it out and I already used it to polish my other rings. That's why it's a little bit dirty, but that thing definitely works. If you need to polish your silver, it works. So here is just some information. We're gonna look inside the catalog a little bit. There's actually some really cute stuff in here that I haven't seen. But this is about Jeulia and their making process. Everything I have from Jeulia is high quality and has never rusted. It's made with 925 silver. Look at those cute bow jewelries. Oh my gosh. So this is my new ring. I wanted to just get something really simple. And this one's customizable. The pink stone in the middle you can change into whatever color you prefer. They have like green, blue, red, yellow. Oh my god, I'm so sorry y'all. My cat is snoring so loud. I hope you can't hear it. He's snoring so loud. So this is my cute little dainty ring. It looks like an elf ring or like some type of fantasy looking ring, and it goes with my other rings that I have on, so I'm super happy with it. And then the other thing I got are some earrings. These are so cute. These little pink hoops, pink heartstone at the front. They're very comfortable to wear. They're not very heavy or anything. I don't even feel them on my ears. So if you guys like anything I showed you, or you want to just check out Jeulia, I love looking through their site. I can get lost on their site. They have so much jewelry. You can personalize jewelry on there. You can put like your name in there or even photos. They have bracelets, pendants, men's jewelry. They have everything you can imagine, wedding rings. So check them out. Link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.